All right, right from the get-go, you want to sit, stare at all the air conditioning, maybe a little bit of the water in between the buildings there. But all the window seats have these nice little cushions you can sit down on and enjoy yourself. It's like, you know, that type. Oh!
What are you doing here? Come on in. I want to show you this.
Please stand clear of the doors.
All right, you broke our arm.
Look at this. Herringbone floor.
Ooh.
Nice, huh?
That's real wood.
It's the foyer.
It's real wood.
Big closet.
Nice.
Throw all that crap in.
Yeah, we got everything in there. Oh, they got the pillow. See? Just like we said in the last video, they always have the extra pillow and blanket locked away.
Look at this. Look at this.
You could hang your
Look
stuff.
Look at the robes throne.
Holy crap, that's marble.
Yeah. Nice, huh?
Yeah, let's
look
go.
At the shower, look.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Come in, Ken, come in.
All right, let me get in there. Wow,
Nice, huh?
This is really nice. Whoa, look at that floor.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
Then over here, like you don't feel like taking a shower, right?
Oh,
you got a couple of.
Oh my gosh, look at
That's
that.
a rain head. Nice, huh?
Look at that, a rain head. You got a nice little seat there, and then you got all that action going on
But
there.
if you don't feel like taking a shower,
A couple of nice choice. I'm sorry, I'm showing the shampoos.
Oh.
That's up.
You got a tub.
Oh, the tub. Let's go see the tub.
It's nice.
Look at that.
Looks like they changed the look of the.
Yeah, the shampoo bottles. That's what I was looking at
That's cool.
earlier. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool. Pretty neat. Wow. What is all this?
Just where you do your makeup and all that stuff. I don't do it, but if you wanna, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Some of this action going on.
Oh, wow.
Get some close up. I like to do it to see how ugly I really am. Come here. Like for instance, look, I'm standing in front of the mirror. Look how foggy it gets.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Now either it's getting real hot.
Condensation.
Either it's getting real hot
Yeah.
for me,
Yeah.
right? Or it just don't want to look at me. Anyway.
I'm choosing number 2. All right.
A nice little wet bar. Got that coffee maker.
You got the coffee maker. Oh, that's a nice little backsplash there.
It's nice. Got a little microwave.
Wow.
They give you things, right? We got a toaster up there.
Oh, is there a toaster?
It's nice. I don't know what the hell.
I don't know what that is. That's for the bodies. Oh, wow.
Little extras,
Mm-hmm.
And
A little bit under the sink action, too.
like I said,
Very nice.
I vacation meagerly. You know what I mean?
Fridges. Already got food packed away in there. Wouldn't be the rope without it.
Snacks.
What is this? What is this? We got the TV,
Yeah, it's nice.
right?
Yeah.
Big size TV.
Yeah.
And then entertainment center? What is
Got a
this?
stowaway.
Ah, another stowaway bed. Just like the other one. What was the other
Poly.
one? The Poly, yeah.
Yeah.
What is in there? What is it?
Rapunzel.
Is that Rapunzel?
Yeah, cute, huh?
Nice. And then if you want to sleep like an adult,
Yeah, that's they made that for me.
you got the grand marquee bed here with the lantern lights. That's beautiful. I like it. And then I'm loving this. Yeah.
That's French.
Is that French?
Yeah.
That's got to be French. Mademoiselle Mouse. Looks like an old ad for a cartoon, I guess, that got played in France, I guess.
She's nice.
Look, hold on, wait a minute. We got to get that. Oh my God, look at that view.
That's French.
Look at that view. That's definitely French. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at that.
Got a little sitting area here,
Very nice. Yes, I like that. I like the ball too. That's pretty cool.
Modern, It's
That's
nice.
not the only ball here, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to get to that in a few minutes. But this, yeah, nice little seating arrangements.
You got the casting couch, right?
You got the casting couch,
You
yes.
know what I'm saying?
But and now hold on, I love the picture behind there.
Yeah.
Beautiful. But the thing is when we come to Disney, we bring people with us.
Well, yeah, you.
We bring,
first of all.
well, of course, but I mean, we like other people to join us. We need more
If
bedding.
somebody gets tired, we get too wrecked, right?
We need more bedding. We can't put them on the couch.
Well, that's why this comes in handy,
Oh, what's going on here?
Watch this.
What's going on here?
Pretty cool, huh?
This is insane. Oh, it's good springs on it too. Whoa, that is really cool.
It's comfy too.
And the couch is gone.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's freaking.
Oh, and hey, you know what? It handles a lot of weight.
Hey.
All right. Well, I'm just saying, it's good.
That's right. That's
You
right.
see, oh, here we go again, folks. Here we go. We'll be right back. Yeah. So anyway, here's the picture. It's a 101 Dalmatian sitting there and everything like that. All right. Let me limp over here. Let me walk over here. And what do we got, Robe, sir? He's gonna show us something. Remember what I said about the balls?
My balcony.
Not his balls, but balls in general.
Look over there.
Wow.
I want to talk about watching the fireworks.
I don't even barely have to zoom in on this, but I am
Nice,
anyway.
huh?
Look at this. You see what that is? Do you see what that is? I'm gonna get closer.
How about that?
I'm gonna get closer. I'm gonna get closer. I'm gonna get look how close we are.
We're on it.
Isn't that beautiful? And that's the Guardians of the Galaxy right there.
No, that's the Tron Hotel. What?
Also, they have a recycling and trash little bin by the door. Take a look at that. Isn't that cool? And then they have this nice little thing. This is actually granite. It's a slab of granite underneath this thing. Look at this. It's beautiful.
I don't think I can walk anymore.
Oh God, what's going on now? Oh, and just so you know, when you stay here, you get your name up in lights as soon as you walk in, right on the TV, welcoming you into your room.
God, please get me through this.
Why does he have to do these things? Why does he have to do these things?
Oh,
What's going on?
I got the meat sweats.
What are you doing?
Just.
Why do you always have to take your shirt off?
All right.
I don't understand this.
Can I have privacy for Christ's sake?
Anyway, we'll see you real soon.
I'm gonna be famous on them YouTube.